because I am going to encapsulating using condensed glue gels, and it stays so long on the nails. Close the cap. Season glue. And I'm gonna start dressing up. Let me see, it has so many cute things in there. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Can't help it. Oh, I have, super cute. Let go some light. Heart. It's really stand out though. Oh, and I have some butterflies right there. What besides our transfer foil, there's a lot of cool things that we can do this with. I can't wait. So I'm just like place them really randomly like a zigzag pattern. So then that's why it looks so nice. But also it doesn't look too busy. Oh, that's cute little bows right there. This is great for beginners who really like to doing like a nail arts, and then just like me myself is not really like artistic like a painting. I can. It takes me a little bit longer. It's like I really need to sometimes it's like really patient, and sometimes is can be done like perfect or not perfect. Sometimes it's not. So this is great. I love this. I did this one. I don't know if you can see it. Look, it's so cute. Also, I'm put some crystal on it if you want to. Like this is a simple encapsulating, so everyone can really achieve it. There's so many of them right here. Tiny little bow. Tiny. And then you can place them however you would like. And they're so thin and so beautiful. It's unlike other. So I am gonna pop this in the LED lamp for about 60 seconds, and I am going back with, crystal placement if I want to put some on it. It's one of the really simple encapsulating. Also, you can draw the pattern too if you want to. Okay. Hey, Vicky, how are you? Hi, sweetie. 30 seconds? 60 seconds, I'm sorry. Hey, I'm using this cute design though. Vicky, do you like it? Look at that. I didn't use this, but I use the other one. There's so many cute ones. That is perfect for short nails at your salon. If you have a clients have a short nails, or the clients is really like to get some art fun thing, but they don't want any crystals, or they have some little crystal. They can't wear a big piece or a big centerpiece of crystal. This is a good solution, and it's good to encapsulating. They're so cute in my end. It looks so dainty cute, but you have to experience it yourself because it's hard. Like it's so thin that you can encapsulating in no problem and put with the glue gels. And if you're doing 2 coat of the colors and then you apply the condensed glue gels, it will hold all of your right there. How are you, Vicky? She's so excited to move into her new studio, and then we'll be heading over to New York. So still time to sign up for New York class in February 9, and we'll have intense class from basic to advanced crystal placement, learn how to acquire celebrity clients. Also, you also learn it from all tips and tricks how to work in the fashion week in New York, in runway, backstage, all different designs from Patricia, from Patty Yankee. So I'm so excited. Vicky will be there. If you are close, that's a great to be, in, enjoy the class. Yes, they lay nice and flat. You are right, Nene. So Talent 105. Hey, Leshat Nails, Nazanin, how are you? Sky One Nails, how are you? Sophia Forever Love, your girl to love. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. It's such a great night tonight. Oh, just such a cute Nails are such a cute accessory. I can't watch this all day. I love getting this inspo. You are very welcome. Thank you so much, Danny. Great. I just want to make sure I say hi to everyone. Hope everyone have a great day today. Is this such a really good one? It's good? Oh, it's good because I need the... All right, so after 60 seconds, I am going to go back again with my condensed glue gels and a no white top coat. That are the 3-step methods that will keep your crystal stay in one place. And it works for a flat back 3D, charm, chains, all accessory, and then encapsulating. Okay, so I'm gonna do it in a little bit. It's generous amount, but then it's gonna cover completely all of glitter. Also cap it again, and I am going to top coat them. Close my condensed glue gel. I can place them in pattern like a heart and then bow. It's gonna be look so cute. But this is like randomly that even the beginners can really achieve this with no problem. It still look really cute. Top coat. Floating on the top of the unclear condensed glue gel. You can see that if I put it like on the side, you can see how nice and flat it is. So it's never gonna have like popping up edges or hanging there or catching anything. So I am gonna using some of cute crystal. Should I use this? This is champagne. It looks like it's champagne, but I could be wrong. Ruby rose. Everybody like ruby rose, including me. This is rose gold? No, this is not rose gold.
Ruby is more like this.
It's ruby rose. No, we did it already. We did so many times. We don't need ruby rose. We love ruby rose, but we're gonna... Today we did, one of the clients I did ruby rose. So gorgeous, and she loves it with a light pink. So if you haven't seen any of ruby rose designs, please head over to Facebook, or you can see it over on short clips from our IGTV. It will show you a different ruby rose design that we've been doing. Looks really cute though. If you're happy with this, you pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds, and this nail are completely done. It's so simple. You can put any color. You can put red on it. You can put pink on it. You can put pretty much any colors. All right, good. Pop in the lamp. I see this one. It's so cute though. I can do this all day long. Oh, do you want to see something else? It looks like it's more like a springtime though. I can't wait because I have so many ideas and so many content I would love to share with you ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, okay. So let's move this guys out. And then what next? Do you want to see some chamfer foil designs? Or should we continue doing this encapsulating? Maybe encapsulating. All we can do is all we are going to do is blossom gel. I have that nails painted for us already. So no, that is the fusioning. Or you want to see fusioning? We can do some fusioning. Okay, look. It's so nice and smooth. It completely is not gonna have any lumpy, bumpy, or catching on anything at all. It's so cute and beautiful. There you